Okay, bro, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, we are live, so we're just gonna wait for a few, let's just say a minute for people to jump in into the chat. I can see people.
Yeah,
If you
sure.
guys can hear us on this live, can you please just comment if you can hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. So we're now already live, right?
Yeah, we are.
Awesome,
Yeah, I'm
awesome.
just
I
talking. I'm just speaking to the comment section. I'm just speaking to the comment section.
right.
So if you can hear this, can you hear our audio, guys? If you can hear, just put a fire emoji. I don't know, whatever emoji, your favorite emoji. Let's go.
Yeah, let's maybe just drop a blue heart or anything like that. Yeah. Nice to see you from
I can see Bullish Pizza. Can you hear this audio? There you go. Bullish
there
Pizza,
we
just
go.
with two emojis. Awesome. We'll just take another minute just to wait for a few people to jump in.
Right.
This is going to be exciting.
Well, actually, one of our colleagues and she came across the same situation like I did, and she says that she needs to upgrade to a pro version to be able to join the meeting. I'm not sure if she could still, be able to make this.
Uh,
Um,
okay, did you share with her the new link?
yeah.
Okay. So she's still facing the same problem?
Yes, exactly. Like, yeah.
Uh, Let me see here. Because she must be able to join into the chat. I don't know why it's not allowing her. It's the same. Okay, people are jumping in.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Indra. Is that a ghost? Indra.
Um, is there any place that where I can see the comments? Because right here on my screen, I'm not able to see the comment. I'm just
Uh,
kind of interested, in what these people are actually talking about.
I'm not sure how it.
Oh yeah, right. Maybe
Let me just send you
yeah,
the
right.
link.
Yes, sounds
Yeah,
good.
let me send you now. Okay, we're gonna get started now. Not sure if your colleague will jump in. Maybe if it's restricting her, then we'll just have to work with.
Yeah, she's trying to make this, but if she cannot, maybe it's just between you and me.
Okay.
And anyway, let's get started. I don't want your community to wait too long for this.
Sure. Yeah, so it's now 3:05. So let's get started.
Sure,
Um,
perfect.
did I share the correct link with you? Just a second. There you go. So I sent you the live to the to the YouTube live, the link to the YouTube live. I mean,
Okay.
awesome. So, how's everyone doing? If you're just joining us, welcome to the live. This is the Ask Me Anything session hosted by XDC, and we are going to be talking to Nabox, a digital wallet for you to store your crypto. And in a moment, Roy is going to introduce himself and tell us more about this wonderful wallet that they have developed. But before we do that, I'll probably introduce myself. For those who follow me on my socials, my name is Confidence, and I am the Africoiner based in Zimbabwe, a country that is in the southern part of Africa. It's very sunny outside, and the weather is very beautiful. A bit hot though, but yeah, it's very wonderful to have everyone here, and we hope that you enjoy this
It's very wonderful to have
session.
everyone here.
And mostly these Ask Me Anything sessions are just mainly focused on bringing attention to the latest technologies that would be implemented by XDC and the XDC team, and also all the other integrations and all the other partnerships that are held by XDC. So make sure you also get to leave some questions in the live chat box. So we are going to pick 5 people who are going to share half of the $5 million, 5 million now box. So
Yes, right. Not $5 million.
that's gonna be 5 million. That's going to be 5 million Nabox tokens.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be for 5 people who are going to ask some I don't know, good questions in the comments or in the chat box. So we'll be checking out, and Roy will pick up 5 people who are going to win those tokens. So yeah, let's get to it. And Roy, would you just go ahead and introduce yourself and what you do at Nabox?
Yes, sure. And first of all, I want to thank you, Confidence and XDC Network for inviting us to your AMA session. And my name is Roy, and I'm the operation officer at Nabox. I'm very happy to be here today. So as Confidence has just mentioned about it, and also maybe you guys have already seen the AMA poster, and it says it should be another person instead of me, and this one is E, and she was supposed to attend this meeting, but it seems like she's running into some kind of connection issues, but hopefully, and she will jump in the conversation later, so it'll be just me and Confidence right now. And I hope you guys are having a great day. And so let me just introduce a little bit about Nabox. So
Yes.
Nabox is a multi-chain wallet, and we have just recently integrated with XDC blockchains, which meaning that now all the XDC holders or anyone from XDC community will be able to use our wallet to manage your assets and to participate in any XDC ecosystem projects using our wallets. So this is, I mean, I'm very excited about this, and also we have been working with quite a few XDC ecosystem projects, such as XSwap, right? And there's another project called the Store X, and another few NFT projects. So it's it's a really a great opportunity for us to work together and in the future, and we're gonna bring more benefits. We're gonna bring more collaborations to both of the Nabox and XDC community. And one more thing, so at the end of this AMA, we're gonna be picking 10 winners to share 5 million Nabox tokens. And Confidence has just mentioned about we're gonna be picking 5 winners from the Twitter area, and also we're going to pick another 5 winners from the live stream. So just type your comments down here, and we're gonna give a random draw and to pick the 5 winners.
Okay, awesome. And I can see already we have almost 500 people joining this live.
That's great.
That's
Yeah,
that's that's crazy.
that's
That's
awesome.
crazy. And yeah, I mean, like that's really exciting to hear about Narbox and the wonderful work that you guys are doing. So does this mean like every other crypto that is going to be built on XDC network will automatically be listed on in Narbox wallet?
Yes, definitely we can do that. I mean, we are always open for new collaborations. You know, we want to bring our products to to everybody who wants to use it. Our product is very simple to use, and it's really friendly to the new crypto users. It has a very a simple, the layout, and everything on the page is very clear. And so also we're also going to build a bridge. Say we have as a crypto wallets, and we have several different kind of features. We have a bridge, we have swap bucks, and I guess I could say the bridge and the swap bucks are the core products we are currently building. So after the blockchain integration, and we're also going to implement XDC Network to our bridges. So let me tell you more about the bridge. Our bridge currently supports 19 different blockchains, and the next thing we're going to do, we want to implement XDC Network to one of our supported bridges. That means any XDC based token will be able to travel to cross chain from XDC to all the other 19 different blockchains, and and participating in other ecosystems, which is great. I mean, there's a whole lot of a room for imagination.
Right. Okay, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. So if you're
Yeah.
watching this live, guys, I mean, I can see already we're already on 900 people that are watching this live, and that's awesome. So make sure, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for you to get more content like this. And
Definitely.
yeah, I mean, what you were just saying is really exciting. And like, can we then expand more on what the XDC network community should look forward to, like in growth in the next 5 years, probably from this integration with Nabox?
The next 5 years, well, the crypto industry is shifting, crazy. Like, it's shifting really fast, so it's really hard to predict what's gonna be like after 5 years. But
Okay.
from what I can say now, so I guess the bridge is really it's a really big thing for us. We're trying to to build our cross-chain ecosystem. We're trying to invite more blockchain projects to deploy their basically they are public blockchain like XDC, Polygon, Ethereum, and BNB chain, right, Fathom, and other, some of the mainstream blockchains. We have already integrated some of the mainstream blockchains. So
Right.
so what the XDC community members, what they can expecting is in the next maybe 1 year. So
Mhm.
all the XDC ecosystem projects, they will be able to using our bridge, and they can cross chain to another blockchain ecosystems, and participating in their ecosystem development. And another thing is I want to, and also I want to mention you about one of our very close ecosystem partners, actually XSwap, and as one of the XDC ecosystem projects, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
they reached out to Nous. Nous is one of our cross-chain partners, and
Okay.
they wanted to work together with Nous, and they want to be listed on their POCM platform. But unfortunately, they cannot, because there is not a bridge that connecting Nous and XDC network. But once we implant a bridge for XDC network, then any XDC based projects will be able to participate in all the 19 supported blockchains. So
Okay.
it's yeah.
Okay. That's awesome. And probably if you can then explain, like, we are giving away some Nabos tokens. So are these like a utility token that is based on your wallet, and what is their main use in your ecosystem?
Uh, so speaking of the our tokens, right now, I can see there's really not much of utility use cases
Okay.
regarding the Nabox token, but Nabox token is a multi-chain token, and we have liquidity on BSC and Ethereum and Nerve Network, which is the cost chain network. So speaking of the utility, recently we have been trying to to work out some solutions. And what I can say is we're still, in the early stage of our product. And if you look into our roadmap, and we have quite a lot of milestones that are left to be finished. So in the future, and we have products called Swapbox, which is currently already live, and people can use Swapbox to swap, to swap tokens from chain A to chain B, and they can,
Okay.
swap different tokens. So for the plan for the future is regarding the utility use cases, right? And we are going to, for every transaction on Swapbox, and we are going to buy back Nabox. We're going to using the transaction fees and buy back Nabox and burn them, and burn the
Okay.
Nabox. And also, we are also organizing a governance page. So in the future, any Nabox holders, and they will be able to vote, and they will be able to, join the community and vote for the community, and decide where we're going on this road, if there's any something major, right? And stuff like that. Yeah.
Oh, awesome, awesome. So, if you're just joining us on this live, I've got Roy from Nabox. He's an operations director, and we are just talking about the XDC integration with Nabox. And do not forget to ask your questions in the live chat for you to stand a chance to win some tokens from Nabox. And
Yes,
we'll
definitely.
just be doing it at the end of this live. So make sure that you stay and make sure also that you download Nabox's wallet. You can look in the description of this video and you'll find out where you can actually download Nabox's wallet. And I'll go to the first question on Twitter. And the first user from Twitter has a handle called Lopyu. I don't know how
Yes.
to pronounce that. But anyway, the first question goes like, what is the purpose of this collaboration? And why should Zinfin choose Napox? I don't know.
What is the purpose of this collaboration? Why should XDC choose Nabox? Yeah, it's a good question. So the purpose of this collaboration is, um, you know, so XDC as a public blockchain, right? And Nabox is a crypto wallet, and we are always looking for opportunities to grow our community. And and I think this is, a great opportunity for both of us. And as you can see, our community, if you look into our Telegram group and or our Discord and our Twitter, and we have a decent amount of users, and they are supporting our products, and they're using our product every day. And so when, all the resources we have, and we can share this with XDC Network. And it works, on both sides. And so, I think the collaboration is everything about the collaboration is to create a win-win situation for both of us, right? So I think this is a good starting point. And let me say, let me answer the second question. Why should XDC choose Nabox?
Yeah.
um I think Nabox is probably one of the, it has been developing really fast. And this project started out last year, early of 2021. So like you can pretty much see, and all the the accomplishments, all the progress we have been made for the over last year. And
Okay.
if you look into our website, our white paper, and also there are also a lot of more products which we're trying to build. And we're trying to build a paybooks, which is a hard wallet, right? And
Okay.
also, yeah, just whole lot of stuff that is going on, and we are all excited on that.
Awesome. So I hope the user has been answered. And like from what I can tell, also like it's I mean like a great service for XDC to actually be part of the 90 blockchains that you're talking about, and
Yeah,
it will make
this is really, yeah, this is one of the one of the things that really got me excited about. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so he also asked a follow-up question. So he actually asked a couple of questions. So I'm gonna focus on these two, and then we'll skip to the next questions. And he asks that does Nabox also support the NFT type of XDC network?
Unfortunately, currently, no, not yet.
Okay,
Because recently, Nabox recently only support NFTs from just a few blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, and BSC, and
okay,
I think that's it. But I mean, this is really a great suggestion, and we're gonna delivering this information to our dev team, and
okay.
hopefully, and as soon as our wallet supports the XDC NFTs, and I will be coming back and tell you guys.
Awesome. So look forward to that XDC community. Look forward to your NFTs being supported on
Yes.
Nabox, which is very exciting anyway. And I'll go to the second question again from Twitter. This is Jack of all trade.
Oh, Jacob L. Trade. I like that name.
It's pretty cool, right? All
Yeah.
right, all right. So this is a bit longer. So let me just try to drag it. Oh,
Okay.
okay. So the second question goes, say, liquidity, transaction fees, and slippage are always the three important factors in financial services. How does Nabox solve the above problem to attract more users? What innovations will it what innovations will it likely make to improve users' trading experience? So there is,
Um.
yeah, you can go ahead. You
Okay.
got the question right?
Yeah. Yeah. I got this. So as I just, I think I've mentioned about some of our products called swap books, right? Um. So swap. Well, high confidence. Can you let the question? Can you show? Yeah.
Okay, you want okay. There you go.
Right. There we go. So, I will be talking about SwapWorks, which is our core product, and I believe the things that I'm going to say is going to answer your question. So you're asking transaction fees and slippage and liquidity, right? And
Right.
let me
So let's
answer.
let's tackle this first part of the question, and then I'll post the rest of the questions. It's
Yeah,
just a short
sure,
one.
sure.
Yeah.
Let me answer the slippage thing first, right? So our swap bucks, it aggregates the liquidity from multi chains. So which means we have been recently working with a lot of decentralized exchanges, including Pancake Swap and
Okay.
Dodo Swap, and well, most of the decks they come from BNB chain. So which means um, that
Oh, I think I just lost. Just a moment, guys. I think I just lost him. Let me check with them what's happening. Mm, mm, mm. Nabox joined. Okay, there you go.
what
What had
I
happened?
think the connection just got cut out.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah, you
So,
can go ahead.
okay, great. So anybody that who is using the swap box, then you will be able to get the lowest slippage for every transaction you make, right? So using Swapbox, if you have any cross-chain needs, you have any cross-chain swap needs. So let's talk about the liquidity, right? Yeah, liquidity is always important. So right now we are building our project on Ethereum, BSC, and Nerve Network, and most of the Nabox liquidity we are building is on BSC network, right? So you can find. If you're trading our tokens on BSC, and you will have the best in depths and the lowest slippage. And another thing is transaction fees. I'm not sure what you're talking about in regarding the transaction fees, because I think mostly the transaction fees is decided by the blockchain itself, right? I mean, if you're trading on Ethereum, and I mean it surely comes with higher transaction fees. If you're trading on Polygon, it has lower transaction fees.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, like this has nothing to do with Nabox. Like it's determined whenever somebody wants to make an exchange from one token to the other.
Right. Exactly.
Okay, interesting. And the last part of the question was, what innovations will it likely make to improve users' trading experience? So let me just also add that to the live to make it easy for you to
sure
attract more users. Yeah, his question was a bit long.
That's okay.
Yeah, that was the last part of it. What innovations will it make? Will it likely make to improve users' trading experience?
So as speaking about trading experience, so I think we're talking about this on a decentralized exchange level, right? We're not talking about trading on centralized exchange. And if you're using a crypto wallet, then you must want to trade your tokens on a decentralized exchange. So like I said before, and Swapbox is our core product. So any transactions that taking place on a wallet, a decentralized crypto wallet, it has to be associated with DEXs, right? So the problem that our product is trying to solve is that we are trying to bring the transaction fees very low, and we wanted to to create the best swiping or transaction experience for our users. And then that's why we are integrating more and more swapping channels. We have been integrated Dodo Swap and Pancake Swap, and also including 1inch. So definitely in the future there will be more, and we're going to be integrating more dexes.
Okay.
Yeah. And
that's that. Yeah, you had something to say?
I was just something that I want to add. So if you are a XDC holder, where of course you are, and any person that who is listening to this conversation is an XDC community member, right? So in the future, definitely we are going to integrate some of the mainstream decentralized exchange that in the XDC network. And I think currently the number one DEX is XSwap, right?
Yeah, on XDC, yeah.
Yeah. So and we have been communicating with the team members from XSwap as well, and we have a Telegram chatting group, and we are communicating with them. So it might be a good choice. It might be a good it's just really got me exciting to think of the possibilities of integrating the liquidity from XDC and especially from XSwap.
Okay. Yeah, awesome. And I can see more people are still joining in. We got to 1K at one point, and it means you do have a, a huge following and a huge community. And also, just thanks to the XDC Network community for coming in through into the live. And guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. As I am speaking to Roy right now, I'm just gonna go through the chat box on YouTube and try to pick one question at the moment.
Yes, right.
Um,
I think we have one
I
question
mean,
left.
the chat box is on fire right now because there's like a lot of people that are.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah. So there's one question here. I'll definitely answer this one, although we're not really focusing on XTC. And this there is what's the name, Luna
Lunar? Yes.
is asking where do I buy XTC, and if you go on Coin Market Cap and you look for XTC Network or Synfin and go on markets, it will show you where you can buy, all the places where you can buy XTC currently, and that is depending on where you reside, your country, which exchanges are allowed in your region and stuff like that. But just go on Coin Market Cap and focus on XTC Network. It will show you on the markets tab all the exchanges that XTC is listed on. And there is Kidoke, I think,
Kidoki. What
um, asking who are your main partners. I
is
think
this
that's
question? Is this
I think,
question to Nabox or to XDC Network?
I think this is to Nabox.
Okay, awesome. Um, uh, who are our main partners? And so as a wallet projects, so one of the most important thing for us to do is we if you are from the XDC community, and let me tell you, and we have already integrated the over 30 different blockchains. So XDC is the most recent integration, right? So, and we have been talking to each other since July, and also we did quite a lot of social events, and also right now we're having this great AMA session with XDC Network. And so to answer this question, I think there are three different levels, right? So first of all, our partners, they are public blockchains, blockchains like XDC and BNB Chain and Polygon, Aurora, or any or this layer one blockchains. And also we have been integrating some of these layer two blockchains, such as Arbitrum,
Okay.
right? And also, second of all, to answer this question, I think the main partners could include some of the most popular blockchain projects. We have been working with some of the DeFi protocols, right? BSC and another DeFi protocols or lending protocols, because we have been integrating their dApp on our wallets, and also we have been making partnership announcements with all these different kind of projects.
Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. And there is this question from Bullish Peter.
Yeah, bullish. This is one of the Nabox community members. Yeah, I can just remember
Okay.
his name. Yeah,
What's
he's
up,
pretty
Bullish
active.
Peter?
Hey, bullish pizza. He's pretty
Is
active
that the
in the
name of
community.
a token or what?
So let me.
Yeah,
If
the question.
Nabox wallets or spot books compromised due to a fault, do you cover the loss? Are there any insurance providers with you to provide financial support in that kind of situation? It's a good question. Since we're all crypto users here, we're all holding certain amount of cryptos. I think I think the most important thing for as a crypto trader, where anybody who wants to join in the crypto industry, that you have to understand there is always a risk on crypto, no matter no matter what you do, even if you are trading, then there is a possibility of
Yeah.
hiking. Like, I mean, this happens all the time, right? This happens every month. Millions of dollars got hiked, and so I think um, first of all, you have to really taking care of your private key, right? And
Okay.
write it down on a piece of paper, and don't let the private key connected to the internet or stuff like that. You have to really remember this in mind. And the second of all, um, if really, I mean, unfortunately, such a thing happens, and if you're asking me, do we cover that loss? It really depends on the situation. I mean, if there is a product flaw, I mean, if really it's our fault, right? It's our fault. It's it's not like the incident hiking, and it's our fault, and we'll see what I can do. Yeah.
Okay. So like, is there so there's no insurance in this in
I
this?
mean, um, wait. I mean, it's really hard to answer this question. I mean,
I'll
I
not make it hard for you. I'll not make it hard for you.
okay. So
Probably.
let me let
Yeah.
me answer the second question. Are there any insurance providers with us to provide financial support in that kind of
In that
situation?
kind of situation,
Um,
just in case you lose, a customer loses their funds because of a fault on Nabox. I think that's what
yeah,
they are.
right. Yeah, if that's our fault, we definitely will cover all your losses. But
Yeah.
in most cases, it's not, and really, and the situation is really hard to say.
Okay.
Yeah, but anyway, what I want to tell you is, we're gonna be responsible for the community, for every community members, for for everyone that is using our product, and also here I want to see, to all the XDC community members, and if you haven't downloaded Nabox wallet, and you can download one, and you can download one at our website, which is Nabox, Nabox.io. And so I think we have already picked 6 winners, right? So which means there are 4 remaining.
Okay. Yeah. So keep on commenting on the comment box, guys. If you
Yeah,
haven't
just yeah,
submitted a
just drop your
question,
comments. Yeah,
yeah,
so
just
we have
make sure
your
you submit a question and make sure you have a Knockbox wallet downloaded. You can find it on Apple Store, right? And
uh
uh,
Not yet, not yet. You can download the wallet from Google Store, and we
okay,
have 3 versions that are available currently. And you can download our wallet from Google Store, which is compatible with all the the Android phones. And you can
okay,
also download the plug-in version on Google Chrome, right? And
yeah,
also, and if your phone does not support the Google Store, and you can just download the the source file from our website, which is completely safe.
okay, okay,
And by the way, I want to tell you guys that regarding the Apple Store version, we have been trying to pushing this. So hopefully the Apple Store version will be available at the end of November. Yeah, that's the best scenario.
okay. Yeah, but okay, so that's great. And I've noticed that already. You can use test flight to access the
Yes,
Apple Store version of the application.
right.
Okay. All right, awesome. Bullish Pizza says, awesome answer. Great
Yeah,
answer,
I
guys.
mean, it's a tough question for us, but but what I can tell you is we're gonna be responsible for every one of our users.
Okay. Awesome. So next question again from the live. This is a question that I actually wanted to ask also. Does Nabox allow staking of XDC tokens?
Yes, yes, this is a good question. Um, so I must be missing to introduce some of our features, right? So our features includes, like I said before, cost chain, and there's the Swapbox feature, and also there is a farming features that we also provide farming features. And the answer is yes. Is we do support staking of XDC, but we need to let's say we need to cooperate with um, let me just I was just going to introduce you guys to the layer one farm. So the layer one farm is a farm sections that allows any Nabox supported blockchain and to create a farming pool on our layer one farm. So let's say the right now the first and the best DEX on XDC network is XSwap, right?
Right.
So which means that if they come over here, to our layer one farm, and they can we can do a farming for each other. So for example, Nabox holders will be able to stake Nabox on our layer one farm, and to earn XDC or to earn the tokens from XSwap.
Okay.
And at the same time, all the XDC holders were XSwap token holders, and they will be able to stake their tokens on XSwap farm to earn Nabox.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to Twitter questions.
Okay,
Then we'll
no
come back
problem.
again.
Huh?
I said we're gonna go to Twitter questions again, and then we'll come back to the live.
Yes,
Um,
sure.
and I can see a number of the guys who are on Twitter are also still asking questions on the live. So,
Sure.
like I can see similarities in the usernames, and I hope it's the same guys anyway. So, let me go ahead and just remove this
Um,
question.
hey, Confidence, are you tracking the winners information from your side?
No, you can do it from side, but if you
Okay.
want to do that, it's still fine.
All right.
It's still good. It's still good with me. I'll leave that to you.
Okay, sure, no problem. So
Yeah, I'm not
um,
fair.
what I'm going to do, to these winners is at the end of the AMA, and if you are selected as a winner by Confidence, you can just DM us on our Telegram, where you can just send us a message on Twitter. Our private message is open to anybody, so you can just send us a message on Twitter, and we're gonna be taking care of you, and we will be sending the tokens away.
Yeah, awesome, guys. So, yeah. So if I pick you up as a winner, make sure you go on my Twitter page. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Send me an
Yes.
inbox. The Twitter handle is Africoiner. It's simple uh, like that. But anyway, uh, that's the question from Twitter again. I think Kidoki asked again another question in the live. But anyway, I think this is a very important question, and he's saying auditing is important for both trust and security. If any audits been done on the contract and the system that you can share,
Yes.
congratulations. Thank you.
Yes, definitely. And we have already completed the auditing, and of course, I mean, it's important, and that's almost the first question as a crypto trader that he would ask to a project when he first time to reaching out to a project, because we're all concerned about the security, right? So I mean, it makes perfect sense that you asking us this question. And yes, we have done all the auditing, and on our wallets and on our Swapbox. Swapbox has done its auditing as well. And of course, I can share the auditing link to you guys. So where am I supposed to share the auditing link? if I.
Okay, so maybe you can share with me in the private here. I'll just paste it
Okay,
on the live.
awesome, awesome. I will share you
Uh,
the link and at the end of the AMA.
okay, no problem. Awesome. So yeah, definitely there are some auditing that has been done here. So Roy is gonna share that with me, and I'll also share with you guys. And another question from a different user on Twitter. This is a bit long again.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
It's okay. I got all day.
okay, I'll just post that again here. Just a second. So this is a user by the name ARES. Aries. I'm afraid of misspelling these names, man. I don't want to offend our followers and the community. But anyway, that's the question. How will you grow Nabox user base? These other wallets have already hundreds of dApps, huge user base, and big names behind them. Do you think you will naturally grow when your wallet when more wallet join? I don't know what they meant, but I mean like I think you wanted to say when more people join your wallet, do you think you naturally grow?
Yes, yes. He's exactly. I mean, he's just right. And it's a this industry is getting crazy, and there are new blockchain projects and joining every single day, whether it's GameFi, DeFi, and wallets, and obviously, and there are quite a lot of wallets, in the crypto industry. So you're asking how will we grow our Nabox user base? First of all, I want to answer this question by giving you a number of our users. So currently we have around 200,000 active users. So and these people they have been using
200,000.
yes, and these
That's
people they have been
that's great.
thank you, and these people they have been using our products. And so the next thing that you said, these other wallets have already hundreds of dApps. But you know what? I can tell you that listing a dApp is for a wallet is really easy. It's not that complicated. So it only takes you maybe like a few minutes to list a dApp on a wallet. But the real thing is, how do you establish a sustainable, a stable relationship between the dApps you are integrating, right? And
Uh-huh.
I mean, simply, you don't want to just integrating the dApp and making an announcement and that's it. No, that's not what you want to do. So what we're doing is we are integrating the dApp, and at the same time we're also we're also keeping a close contact with them, and we're trying to reach out to their community, because behind every dApp there is a project, right?
Right.
Maybe it's a game project, maybe it's a DeFi projects. So we will always be reaching out to somewhere behind the dApp. We want to reach to their users, and we will be doing a lot of Twitter events and Twitter campaign, and to attract their users. Eventually, some of their users will be ours, maybe some will
Okay.
not. But
Okay.
I mean, we have been always keep doing this. So that's how we increase the number of our users,
All
and
right.
huge user space and big names behind them. Um, so when you're saying big names behind them, are you saying like
But
maybe
so I think
yeah,
he's referring to other projects and saying like they
right,
already have
right,
like a
yeah, I
huge
see.
user base
I
and
see. Like for example, like Binance is behind a safe pile or something like that, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, right. Yeah,
So like
I mean,
do you see Nabox going that big, like your vision and everything? Do you think that you grow to be a competitor of those big names that are being mentioned?
at the current situation, of course not, and we're not competing to any of these projects with big names behind them, because we understand that we're still small, right? And
Right.
we're doing everything we can to grow our community, to add more diversity to our products, right? So but I mean, we do have some investors. If you go to our website and looking into our white paper, and you're gonna see a lot of investors who has invested into our wallets, and their names might not be really as big as Binance, but yeah, we still got some support. We got some people are backing us up, and we got some people who are supporting us.
Okay. And I could see like I'm just telling this to the viewers here, like what you were explaining, like fostering great relationships with the people that you're actually building. Like many projects, like especially when they're onboarding other projects on their platform, like they don't really care about relations with the other party. Like they just
Yes.
say, "Ah, okay, we'll just onboard you," and then they leave you like that. And
Yeah.
I've seen
Right.
that
Right.
from all the engagements that you've been doing with XTC. And I really just want to say you guys are a really, really good project, and what you're doing is wonderful.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Awesome. Let me just go on this last user on Twitter.
Sure.
Bullish Pizza couldn't find me on Twitter. I don't know why. But anyway, um, next question here is, let's see. Okay. So the name Pemburu AMA. Okay. What strategy will you implement to bring non-crypto natives into your ecosystem? How do you keep a balance between developing the technology and also improving the value of your token? I think it's a very important question.
Yeah. It's really important question, because this really decides how we attractive the new users and grow our community.
Right.
So speaking of the strategy, and speaking of the non-crypto users, I think there's still a whole lot of people, they're outside the door of the crypto and they want to join, but the education cost is rather high, right? And if you don't have anybody to guide you, and maybe it's really difficult for you to make a swap on with a decentralized wallet. So um, I think you can find the answer by looking at our product. So I really suggest you to download our wallets. So just take a look, and just say just explore our features. And our wallets is really simple to use, and it has so at the very bottom of our wallet. So let me just grab my phone so I can show you a little bit about our products. Oh,
Okay.
here we go. Okay.
Okay. So while Roy is
All right.
fixed,
So
okay,
Uh,
you can.
I got this. So if you hit in Nabox, if you have a wallet like this, and so this is the main operation page of our wallets. So here is the asset page, right? So here's the asset page, and here is the discovery. So in this page, you will be able to find out all the dApps that are listed on our wallets.
Okay.
And also, let me just switch to the XDC dApp page, so you will be able to see some of the most popular dApps from XDC Network. Um, Maybe my connection is sort of slow. Some of the images it doesn't show up. So over here you can see we have already listed the Super Boss NFT, which is one of the XDC NFT projects, right? I
Right. Yeah.
believe.
Yeah.
And we have also listed the XDC Web3 domains, and also we received very special gifts from the XDC Web3 domains, which we we really like this. So they send us one of their domains, and it starts with it's named after our project. It's like Nabox wallet
Uh-huh.
XDC. I mean, it's really a special gift. And also we have listed XSwapDex and also StoreX. Yeah, and just
Awesome. We
yeah, just
thank
download
you.
one of our wallets and just go inside there and yeah, just dive into this and have a little fun with it and tell us what you think. And also you can join our community, and if there is any if you're running into some sort of technical issue and you want to give us some of your feedback, and just feel free to let us know. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, so we're almost at the hour.
Yeah.
And in a very, very short time, we'll be ending this live
Right.
AME. And I think you have answered a lot of questions, and you have really, really, really clarified all of the questions that the users had. And there is still bullish piece asking for your private keys.
Yeah.
He's
He's
saying,
really active
"What's the
in our.
private keys?"
Yeah, wait, let me tell you, this man, and he's really active in the Nabox community, and really he helped us a lot to answer the questions from the new users. I mean, he's
Wow.
awesome. Yeah,
Wow.
we love you, Bullish Pizza.
Okay, thanks for you, bullish pizza. Awesome. You should also come to the XDC community. Make sure
Yeah,
when you talk to me, I'm gonna make him join our XDC community. I mean, we are friends, right?
right.
Yeah, and yeah, it's really great. So I don't know. Let's go through the winners. Let's pick up who the winners are, and probably we'll just bring this live AMA to an end. But let's just go through the comments. Who are you picking up as the winners?
I think we have already picked the winners, haven't we?
Oh, you have picked the winners. Okay, you can go. You can go ahead and share with me.
Uh, Wait, maybe there's a little
Let's start
confusing.
with.
I thought the 10 questions I just
Ah,
answered, they're the winners, or am I wrong?
oh, okay, okay. So I'll definitely do that. So the questions that I have listed here are the guys that have won already.
Yes, yes, because they deserve this, right? Because their
Awesome.
questions got chosen. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. So no problem. So if your question was displayed on this live AMA, make sure that you reach out to me on my Twitter page. That is Africoiner. That's the handle. I'm just gonna share it for the last time, just in case Bullish Pizza doesn't get it
All right,
again.
bonus.
Yeah, I'm gonna share it. I've just shared in the live chat box with you guys so that you can just reach out to me on my Twitter page. Just send me an inbox, and then we'll just verify your identity, and then we'll send the tokens to you. And make sure you
Yes,
include your wallet address also, so that you can
yes,
receive the Nabox uh, tokens. And man, it's been very, very wonderful talking to you. I'm just gonna give you a
thank
moment
you.
to just I don't know what you wanna just say in closing. If you have something awesome that you want to tell us about Nabox, besides what we've been talking about, it's your moment.
Yes, we do. Well, I think there's some something additional that I want to share with you guys, which is the um uh at the early, I think it's on 3rd of November, and there will be another AMA, right? So it'll be Nabox and XDC, and which we have already talked about this before in our chatting group. So there will be another AMA, and in this AMA, and you will be able to see Nabox and XDC and some of another two different blockchain projects. So we will be discussing some things together, and we will be sharing some of our latest ecosystem updates and stuff like that, just join us in the AMA on 3rd of November, and of course we will be making announcement as well. And just join us if you had a chance. And also, what else am I supposed to say? Oh yeah,
I think your video froze. Are you still there?
yeah,
Okay.
still there. Can you hear me?
You froze for a second. You froze for a second. So maybe if you can repeat what you were saying.
Okay, so I said another thing, which is the bridge. I personally, I'm really excited about the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to implant the bridge for XDC ecosystem, so all the XDC users will be able to travel to 19 different blockchains, which is awesome. And hopefully we can get this integration down within the next few months, because the speaking of the cost chain integration, it usually takes longer, right? It
All right.
takes a lot of testing and assessments, stuff like that. So, but we can get this down. Yeah, trust us.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And yeah, that was Roy from Nabox. He's an operations director from Nabox, and he was just telling us the awesome stuff that they are building at Nabox. And I'm really excited about Nabox, and I'm gonna start using Nabox's wallet and all the features. And I'm really looking forward to the bridge that you're talking about. And it's very unfortunate I will not be able to join the 3rd of November Twitter Space because I'm gonna be traveling to Ghana in a few
Yeah.
days. There's a conference there. We were also going to be talking about crypto and
Yes.
blockchain. Yeah,
Yes.
and I mean, if you're watching this live, thank you very much for watching. If you've watched to the end, and for those winners who have been picked up, please make sure that you inbox me so that you can get your tokens. And I really
All right.
appreciate you joining and spending time with us here. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. My name is Confidence. This is the Africoiner. Goodbye.